Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out the pet grooming tool. So this is an Amazon bestseller, and we have two cats that are ours, kind of. Or we're theirs, but... And another one that is kind of a stray that has adopted us. But she has long fur. And our other cat has long fur. Another one has kind of short fur, but they do shed a lot. And so it's nice to groom them so you can keep that under control. Plus they like it. So your pet will have a healthy and shiny coat, recommended by veterinarians, groomers, and pet professionals. 100% lifetime guarantee. For animal use only. Avoid using on pets with very sensitive skin. Consult a veterinarian before using if unsure. Keep out of reach of children. I mean, we are talking about a comb, right? Let's see if we can't open this up here. All right, so this runs about 16 bucks on Amazon. I'll link it in the description below. And I am the Amazon associate, so if you want to help support the channel, clicking on that link and buying stuff from Amazon. If you're going to buy it anyways, might as well use my links, right? Help out. So here it is. Seems pretty hefty here. Okay, there's a little spring that holds that in place. Feels like pretty solid plastic there. Pretty thick, nice ergonomic design. Handle's not too small, but it gives a good grip there. It's got like a silicone feel to it also. Okay, here's the comb. Kind of weighty. Feels like it's got some strength to it there. Feels pretty solid. It's got a heavy plastic attachment part here. So this looks like it just slips up in here. Let's see, how's that going to lock into place? Oh, this way. You just slide it up in there and it goes in, and to release it you just push down the button there. So once again, just slide that in there. Locks into place. It's got a little cover here. Oh, I thought I had some hairs on there, so there it is. I don't know. I'd like to try it on my own hair here. It's hard. It's hard under the helmet here, but that feels pretty good. Anyways, so there is that. Can't wait to try it out on the cats. And well, I have a cat. Maybe she'd like to get combed real quick. I'll be right back. Well, I had a little volunteer, our Poofy cat, and she's got a lot of fur, but let's see, it's cold outside, so she's not really willing to shed a lot right now. I did get a little bit, and she seemed to like it, so pretty nice. Feels definitely sturdy. I mean, it does have like a sharp, well, the edges are rounded here, so that's kind of cool, so you're not gonna like stab your cat or pet. So it is rounded there. I was thinking it'd be kind of sharp, but it's not really. Still, it might be a little uncomfortable if you did like get the cat with that. So I mean, it'll kind of like leave a scratch or whatever. So you got to be careful just to go one way or whatever. So definitely seems like a nice little brush here. The cat seemed to like it. She was purring, wasn't getting mad at me. So yeah, that's pretty nice little product there. It's got 36,000 $7.99 or $7.79 rating, 4.5 stars. So yeah, all right guys, thanks for watching this one, and we'll catch you next time.